Today, we will learn how to manage all our changes to the page document head, such as meta tags including title, meta, description, link, script, style. The purpose of what we are doing here is to make our pages search engine friendly, easy to be indexed by Google search, Facebook, and Twitter. React Helmet is a reusable React component to manage page title and metadata elements dynamically and operate inside any component you want. It is simple and straightforward to use. First, let's install this Node package by opening terminal window, type command npm install React Helmet. Next, open content.js file inside the components layout folder. Import React Helmet Node package on the top. Insert the Helmet component inside root tags, which are section tags. Add title and description properties. Reload the browser window. The updates show up. So Helmet components works on any pages or components like regular HTML tags. Next step, we make a few minor updates on page text content. Adding a hero image on product page header section. So far, our page is looking much better now. Now we have learned how to manage the page metadata dynamically using React Helmet. Next video, we will talk about how to display single products in detail page.